Hi guys, this is Meowdoku level 7. We need to find 7 cats. We have one here and let's start maybe there. Yes, okay, we have 5 more to go. My second guess is here. Yes, okay. Alright, we need 4 more cats. Maybe we should try here. Yes, okay, that was a bold guess. Alright, let's try there. No, okay. Then maybe let's try here. Yes, okay. And we need 2 more to go. All right, let's try there. Yes, that was easy. And one more to finish. Our cat should be here. Yes, okay. Awesome. All right.